What's that? Is that a macro? Because remember, we talked and you said that I need to do the next video, next unboxing. I wouldn't have to always do that. I even do magazine, the intro and the outro. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're touching down this channel, welcome to Snack Food. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, everything in between. I even did the count. I know you can hear me. Come on. You look like Christmas Eve. I'm never gonna let me. What's good, everybody? I am back, and today we are getting into a Hat Club unboxing, a holiday box. Shout out to Hat Club, I appreciate it. It says, take a bite out of our latest collection. This one is sure to have you looking like a snack. All right, Hat Club, I'm gonna hold y'all to that. Y'all see the gingerbread vibes on the front. I thought that was a nice piece of artwork. Okay, I save all of these boxes. I have them sitting right next to me. So, let's see what we got. Card, small feet, big heat. Happy holidays. Enjoy 2 exclusive collections, Cord Dreams and Snowman pack, featuring elevated materials and designs perfect for the holidays from your friends at Hat Club. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Is that a shirt? Hold on. Did they go ahead and hit me with the t-shirt? Okay. I'm feeling it. That's dope. And it's a size small? Size small. All right. Of course, we have some pins in here too. So first up is this red and gold one. All right, I like this one. I'm guessing this one goes with the corduroy joint. So it's like a red and gold Hat Club logo. Kind of has some texture to it. Let me give y'all a better look. Boom. There it is. That's a big pin too. That's a good size pin. And the next one in here, this joint look like a pair of earrings. A little hat jewelry. All right, I'm not mad at it. It's kind of like snowflakes. Yeah, definitely a snowflake kind of look to these. They hitting too. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick that up. They definitely hitting. All right. I'm feeling these. Let's put these to the side for now, and I'm gonna show y'all the hats. So first up is Cord Dreams. We got the Washington Nationals on deck. Okay, this is nice. A lot of y'all have been telling me try a corduroy hat because it comes up a lot in my upcoming hat release videos. And here it is. It's about that time for me to try a corduroy hat. It's just a crown, like that burgundy crown, regular top bill, like a dark red color. Sneaky two-tone going on. I like it. Green UV, perfect for the holidays, just like they said, that color combo, perfect. Red and green. Washington Nationals DC front logo. Let me let it focus for y'all. A little bit of orange, yellow in there. Some more of that burnt orange, yellow, and gray in the side patch. 10-year anniversary. Clean side patch, I like it. Flat baddie on the back. Orange, gray, and yellow. This hat was made in Bangladesh, and you do have the Hat Club branding on the inside too. So a nice little Hat Club hit. Real clean for the holidays. It's definitely like overdue for me to try a corduroy hat. So shout out to Hat Club, because this is my first one. I'm really liking the colorway on this one. I thought I was certain on which hat I was gonna wear for Christmas, but I don't know. This one might have to get pulled out on Christmas Eve because this is cold. Let's go ahead and put the pin on there. For the one time, gotta show y'all how that looks. This is a really good size pin. I like bigger pins because you get a lot of details, but then I also like little pins because it's a little bit more subtle, you know what I'm saying? I just like pins. My pin board is definitely growing. I cannot wait to show y'all like a complete video. That's gonna be fire. All of my Hat Club pins, I have them in one area. And here's another one that I'll be adding to that board. Here's what it's looking like on the hat. Real clean. You can see what they did. Like the texture on the pin kind of matches the texture of the hat, the corduroy. So the Hat Club Cord Dreams collection I know is already on their website. So if you want to go pick something up or look at the rest of the hats that were in that collection, you can go do that now at hatclub.com. And there will be an affiliate link down below in the video description or in the pinned comments in case you want to help out the channel, and use my link if you decide to purchase something. But definitely give the collection a look because these hats, the colorway, the color placement, It's on point. Now this next hat is from a collection that actually dropped today, the Snowman pack. I don't have any white domes in my collection. This is gonna be another first. Take a look at that front logo in all its glory. You see all the details. I really like the icy hits on this hat. White dome, black top bill, black button on top. Tiger Stadium side patch. Flat baddie on the back, but there is some extra embroidery as well. Kind of like that breeze, snowflakey vibe. Tonal New Era flag. The icy UV, and the icy UV definitely, you know, brings together the icy outline on the front logo, the icy outline around the side patch. Like I said, the icy accents, they all tie together. They all look really nice on this one. Now, something I'm noticing about this hat right now, and I'm sure y'all have noticed it too, is there's no eyelets on this hat. The eyelets have been replaced with some extra embroidery, some snowflake embroidery, where the eyelets would normally be. That's clean. I'm definitely gonna let it focus so y'all can really see it. And if I have to get some B-roll and throw it in here so that y'all can see the details, I'll do that too. But yeah, definitely a nice touch. Winter themed. I like it. This hat was also made in Bangladesh, and you also have the Hat Club branding on the inside. Black sweatband, which I think was a good route. You already have the white dome. You don't need the white sweatband. Black sweatband was cool. Definitely want to see what those snowflake pins look like in this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in now. So I put one near the top of the patch and one near the bottom. Y'all let me know. Y'all rocking with it? Because I like it. I like a little bit of, you know, shimmer, a little shine. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think about these two collections. I like them both for different reasons. The Snowman pack has a very clean look to it. You know, the white dome, the icy accents, the extra embroidery on the hat. It's very clean, very crisp, versus the Cord Dreams. It gives me warm, cozy holiday vibes. So very different, you know, themes going on here, but they're both pretty dope, and I can't wait to show y'all the fits that I'm gonna put together. So if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.